Hi everyone, so today we will learn how to write HTML code in VS Code. As you can see, currently I have opened the VS Code editor. Let's create a file here, index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure. This code is generated using the Emmet feature of VS Code. Let me show it to you. This is the emmet.io website. Simply go to documentation, go to cheat sheet, and you will find all the shortcuts to generate the code snippets in HTML as well as in the CSS. In this video, I used this shortcut, the exclamation mark, to generate the basic structure. Now let's create a h1 element here. Text will be hello world and make sure it is center aligned. Now to run this piece of code, you need to install extension. Simply go to File, Preferences, Extensions, and here search for Live Server. Install it. Close this window. Now to use that extension, simply right click on this HTML file and you will get this option, Open with Live Server. Just click on it and that's your output. So that's how you can run HTML code in VS Code. I hope you got the point, how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.